Welcome back to my channel. I bet you didn't know the T-shaped model is a popular way to describe professional skills. It's a simple yet powerful metaphor for workforce development. This model highlights two key dimensions of expertise for an individual. The first dimension is deep knowledge in one specific area. This is represented by the vertical stem of the letter T. The second dimension is a broader understanding of related disciplines. This is shown by the horizontal bar of the T. For machine learning engineers, this framework is particularly valuable. It guides them in developing a well-rounded and effective skill set. Let's first examine the vertical bar of the T. This represents deep expertise. For an ML engineer, this means becoming a true specialist in a chosen domain. It involves going far beyond a surface-level understanding. You must strive to master the core concepts, advanced techniques, and practical nuances. This could be deep learning for computer vision, for example, or perhaps intricate algorithms for natural language processing. This profound knowledge is what allows an engineer to solve genuinely hard problems. It empowers them to innovate and push existing boundaries. Why is such deep expertise critically important in machine learning? The field of ML is incredibly vast. It is also evolving at a breathtaking pace. It's practically impossible for any single individual to be an expert in everything. Attempting to master all areas often results in a superficial grasp of many. Specializing, however, allows for the development of true mastery in one niche. It positions you to become the go-to person for complex challenges in that area. This focused expertise is essential for creating truly impactful and reliable ML solutions. There are many exciting areas where an ML engineer can choose to specialize. Natural language processing, NLP, is a popular choice. Here one might focus on large language models or sentiment analysis techniques. Computer vision, CV, is another significant field. Specializations could include object detection, image segmentation, or generative models. MLOps, or machine learning operations, is also increasingly vital. This involves deep expertise in model deployment, monitoring, scaling, and automation. Other areas include reinforcement learning, recommender systems, or specialized statistical modeling. The key is to choose an area that genuinely interests you and offers opportunities for growth. Now, let's turn our attention to the horizontal bar of the T. This bar signifies breadth of knowledge across various related domains. While deep expertise forms the core of your specialized skill, it is not sufficient on its own. Machine learning projects rarely exist in complete isolation from other systems. They are typically part of larger software products or business processes. These projects almost always require close collaboration with diverse teams. Therefore, possessing a broad understanding of adjacent fields becomes incredibly valuable. This wider perspective helps you integrate your work effectively. This breadth of knowledge is crucial for bridging communication gaps. ML engineers frequently collaborate with software developers and data engineers. They also interact regularly with product managers and business stakeholders. Understanding the terminology, priorities, and challenges of these colleagues is absolutely key. For instance, familiarity with software development best practices is extremely helpful. This includes version control systems like Git, automated testing, and CI/CD pipelines. Similarly, a basic grasp of data infrastructure is important. This might involve databases, data processing pipelines, and cloud computing services. These skills smooth collaboration. What specific areas contribute most effectively to this valuable breadth? Strong software engineering principles are almost always fundamental. This includes writing clean, maintainable code and understanding system architecture. Data engineering knowledge is also highly beneficial for any ML engineer. This means knowing how data is sourced, cleaned, stored, and efficiently processed. Business acumen is another important component. It allows you to understand the overarching project goals. It helps you translate complex technical results into tangible business value. A solid foundation in general statistics and mathematics beyond your specialty also underpins many ML concepts. Why is this breadth so critically important for a successful ML engineer? It significantly fosters better teamwork and collaboration. You can communicate more effectively with colleagues from different disciplines. It enhances your problem-solving capabilities considerably. You are able to approach complex challenges from multiple perspectives. It also increases your overall adaptability as an engineer. You can contribute meaningfully to various stages of an ML project lifecycle. This holistic viewpoint prevents you from operating in a functional silo. It ultimately leads to more robust, well-integrated, and successful machine learning solutions. Adopting and cultivating a T-shaped strategy offers a multitude of benefits. For an individual ML engineer, it translates into greater career resilience and versatility. Your deep, specialized expertise makes you a highly valuable asset. Your broad knowledge base allows you to contribute in diverse contexts and roles. This powerful combination can unlock more exciting career opportunities. It often leads to faster professional growth and development. You are not confined to a very narrow set of tasks or projects. Instead, you can tackle a wider spectrum of interesting and impactful challenges. Organizations also stand to gain significantly from employing T-shaped ML engineers. Teams composed of such individuals tend to be far more innovative. They are better equipped to connect disparate ideas from different domains. Collaboration within and between teams improves dramatically. Communication becomes more fluid and efficient, especially between different specialists. Problem solving becomes more holistic and effective as a result. The team can confidently tackle complex, multifaceted issues that require diverse skills. This improved dynamic ultimately leads to the development of superior products. It also ensures more robust and reliable ML systems are deployed into production. How can you proactively start building your own T-shaped skill set? The journey begins with honest self-assessment. Carefully evaluate your current knowledge, strengths, and areas for improvement. Next, identify a specific machine learning domain for deep specialization. Choose an area that you are genuinely passionate about learning. It should also be a field that is currently in demand or growing. Commit yourself to truly mastering this chosen area. This will require dedicated study, consistent practice, and hands-on project experience. Seek out advanced courses, influential research papers, and mentors in your field. Once you have a clear plan for developing your depth, begin working on your breadth. Actively look for opportunities to learn about related fields. Read industry blogs, attend webinars, or take introductory courses in new areas. Make an effort to collaborate closely with colleagues from different backgrounds. Do not hesitate to ask questions and learn from their unique expertise. Seek out projects that will expose you to different parts of the ML lifecycle. For example, offer to contribute to data pipeline development tasks, or actively participate in discussions about model deployment strategies. Continuous lifelong learning is absolutely essential for maintaining your T-shape. Let us consider a practical example. Sophia, an ML engineer, her deep expertise, the stem of her T, lies in natural language processing. She has diligently mastered transformer architectures and advanced fine-tuning techniques. She can confidently build sophisticated applications like chatbots or machine translation models. Her breadth, the horizontal bar, includes strong software engineering skills. She understands API design, rigorous testing methodologies, and deployment best practices. She is also knowledgeable about data privacy regulations relevant to text data. This combination allows her to build and deploy NLP solutions effectively and responsibly. Now picture David, another T-shaped ML engineer with a different focus. David's deep specialization is in MLOps, machine learning operations. He is an expert in architecting and building scalable model training pipelines. He excels at designing robust model deployment strategies and implementing comprehensive monitoring systems. His broad foundational knowledge covers data engineering principles extensively. He understands data warehousing concepts and complex ETL processes well. He also possesses good working knowledge of cloud infrastructure, including Kubernetes and serverless computing. This skill set makes him invaluable for ensuring ML models run reliably and efficiently in demanding production environments. The T-shaped strategy provides a powerful and flexible framework. It effectively guides your continuous development as a machine learning engineer. It strongly emphasizes achieving a healthy balance between focused, deep mastery and broad, practical understanding. This balanced approach helps you stay relevant and valuable in this rapidly changing field. It equips you with the necessary tools to solve complex, real-world problems effectively. Remember that your T is not a static achievement. Your depth of expertise can evolve and shift over time. Your breadth of knowledge will naturally expand as you learn and grow. Therefore, I strongly encourage you to embrace this T-shaped strategy in your career. Identify your genuine passion within the vast domain of machine learning. Then dive deep into that specific area to build your core expertise. Simultaneously, cultivate an active curiosity for related disciplines and technologies. Read widely across different subjects, collaborate frequently with diverse teams, and never cease your learning journey. Intentionally building your T-shaped skill set will undoubtedly make you a more effective and versatile engineer. It will open up new and exciting career paths. It will empower you to make truly meaningful contributions to this fascinating field.